Do you see how bouncy my skin looks? Do you see this natural glow? I am not wearing 1 ounce of makeup besides my lashes and my brows. I have been using a product for the past 4 months that has changed my skincare so much. My fine lines, my nasolabial folds, my skin is glowy overall, and I am done gatekeeping this product. So, if you're over 35, this video is for you because I am 35. My skin has never looked better. So, let me share with you the one product that has transformed my skin, and I am ready to share it with you guys. Hello, ladies or gentlemen. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I really wanted to get into the topic of skincare. Not only skincare, because let's be honest, skincare can only do so much for your skin. Take this from a person that has been in the beauty industry for over 10 years. I have tried hundreds, if not thousands, of skincare products. I've gone to the dermatologist. I have done Botox. I have done lip fillers. I have done pretty much it all, but the one thing that was missing in my skincare routine was something powerful that was going to go deep into the layers of my skin and really bring elasticity and just bring more collagen into the skin. Right now, like I mentioned in the beginning, I am not wearing 1 ounce of makeup because I really wanted to show you guys why this product has worked for me and why I have been using it for so long before I even talked about it, because I wanted to try it out and make sure that it worked. This is the little device. She is my best friend. She is my go to. She lives in my sink. She lives in my little vanity because I reach for this all the time, if not every single night. I was struggling with bringing luminosity to my skin as an oily skin person. I feel like I naturally have glowy skin, but in an oily way, and I wanted more of a radiant look to my skin. Ever since I discovered this little guy, it is the DermRays Revive Skin Laser. You heard that right. This is the first ever intense at-home skin laser that is going to penetrate deep into your skin, and it's going to provide collagen. It's going to get rid of all those fine lines and wrinkles. And if you suffer from hyperpigmentation, I have some scarring that is still going away. I'm still working on these, but I'm going to insert a picture on what they look like even 4 weeks ago. And today they look so much better. My skin has improved so much. The one thing that really blew me away from this specific device was the fact that my pores are so small. If you have been watching me for a while, you know that, again, as an oily skin girly, I have large pores, I have excess sebum, and no matter what I've done, I cannot get anything to shrink my pores. I have tried so many primers, and this device right here has shrunk my pores. They are so small. My skin is so smooth. Like, I cannot rave enough about this product. So let me just give you a little info about this guy. This little pamphlet is going to be your best friend when you start using it, because it is always good to follow the rules, pay attention, and just read, okay? It's super easy to use. So first of all, you're going to turn on the button. Of course, this is going to start up your device. Long press it. When the white level indicator light appears at the top, it means that the device is on standby mode. And then next, you're going to press the standby/ready button, and that's when you're going to see those green level indicators. And that pretty much means that you are ready to start your treatment. Now, you can adjust the power levels by pressing the power button. It goes from 1 to 3. I'm currently on level 3 since I've been using this for a while now. And this level will definitely give you the best results. But if you're new, start off slow and gradually work your way up. Place the treatment window flat against your skin and slowly glide outwards, or you can stamp it gently. You're going to hear a continuous beep. This is just means that the device, it's working, is magic. So, what can you expect with consistent use? You can expect 93% smoother and tighter skin, 96% fewer facial wrinkles, 96% brighter complexion, and 96% smaller pores and less pigmentation. Hello, me. So what is the secret? It is using 1064 nanometer diode laser technology. It is the gold standard in professional skin rejuvenation. It's going to deliver deep energy, and it's going to stimulate collagen. So it's going to tighten the skin, fade the spots, and even out your skin texture. Everything without any downtime, okay? So you don't have to go to the doctors. This is all at home. In short, DermRays Revive is going to help with firming and lifting, tightening and smoothing out wrinkles, fading dark spots, and acne scars, and it's going to even out your skin tone and calm your redness. This is the same medical grade technology, y'all, that is used by top aesthetic clinics, now available safely at home. How amazing is that? And just like that, you are done doing your skincare. And I promise you that you are going to be shocked at how easy you are done with this. The reason why you will see results is because this has an energy density of 10 joules per centimeter square. That is super powerful, you guys. Okay. If I can do it at home, I don't have to go to a doctor's office. I don't have to spend thousands of dollars. I can do it in the comfort of my own home, in my own space, at my own pace. I will definitely do it, and you're going to be saving so much money. I do have a discount code that they offered me, so I will have it in the description box as well as on the screen here that you can use it to save some money. This is so worth it. If you are over 35 and you are tired of having dull skin, if you are wanting bright, even skin, if you have melasma, and if you have a redness, fine lines, and wrinkles, and you just want to get rid of all that texture on your skin, this is it. This is the device that is going to be a game changer for you. Telling you, 4 months of usage has made a huge difference for me. So I will have everything linked in the description box down below. I hope you guys learned something new. Aging is okay. Aging is a beautiful thing. Aging gracefully is even more beautiful. But if we can just be, a little preventative here and there, there's nothing wrong with that. Thank you guys so much for being here. I love you guys so, so much. Again, check out the description box. Purchase this, add it to your cart today. Spoil yourself or spoil your mom, because why not? Women love to feel beautiful every single day, and we love feeling appreciated. Okay, I'm just saying. Thank you guys for being here. I love you. Stay safe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.